Good morning students and welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Gnan Manjari Modern School. In the previous video we are ongoing on the chapter number 1, that is number our friends. In that we have seen the how to convert 1 kilogram into milligram, gram and all the other things. I have given you the exercise of that in your homework. Just you verify your answer of it. So, I have given you homework of exercise 1D. Okay students, 1D. In that we have to do the greater than, smaller than or it is equal to. Here is your first sum, that is 8 meter and 850 centimeter. So, which one is greater? Here we know 8 meter, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? We know. So, which one will be greater? This one will be greater. Second one, that is 4 centimeter and 450 mm. In this, which one will be greater? 4 centimeter or 450 millimeter? So, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. If we do convert this centimeter into millimeter, then it will come 40 mm. 40 mm is bigger or 450? 450 mm is bigger. Third one, that is 3 kilometer and 3000 millimeter. We all know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So, which one will be greater? This one. Fourth one, that is 5000 centimeter or 5 meter. So, we all know 5 meter is equal to how much centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If we convert this into centimeter, then it will come 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter is bigger or 5000 centimeter? This is greater. Fifth one, that is 780 gram, 78 kg. We all know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So, 78 kg means 78,000 gram. So, which one is greater? This one. Sixth one. Here is in the ABCD form, but I have write in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 form. Okay students, so don't make mistake. Sixth one, that is 85,000 mg and 85 gram. So, 1 gram is equal to how much mg? Can you tell me? 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. 85 gram means 85,000 mg. So, this will be equal. Okay students, next Seventh one, that is 4000 gram and 30 kg. So which one is greater? If we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so 30 kg is equal to 30,000 gram. Which one will be greater? So the sign will come 30 kg is greater. Eighth one, that is 3.5 kg and 350 gram. We all know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 3.5 kg is equal to 3500 gram. So this one will be greater. Ninth one, that is 5 liter and 500 ml. 1 liter, we all know 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 liter. Sorry, 1 liter is equal to how much milliliter? 1000 milliliter. So what will come? 5 liter will be greater. Okay students, 10th one. 10th is 3 kiloliter and 3 million milliliter ml. Okay students, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So this will come 1 kiloliter. If we convert into liter, so 3000 liter, and if we convert into ml, then 3 million ml. Okay students, so this will be equal. 11th one, that is 5000 ml, 20 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 20 liter is equal to 20,000 ml. So which one will be greater? And last, that is 12th one, 2000 liter and 2 kiloliter. What will come? 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So 2 kiloliter is equal to 2000 liter. Here both are same. Please note down the answers and verify the answers. I have just write the answer. You have to what do? You have to convert this into centimeter. Then after you have to write the signs. I have directly done this. I am just saying the answers. You have what have to do? 5 liter, that is 5000 ml. Okay students. So you have to first of all write here 5 liter means 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 5 liter is equal to 5000 ml. So here you have to write 5000 ml is greater than 500 ml. Okay students, in that way you have to write. And are you preparing for your fair book? Okay students, what you have to do? You have to write this exercise in your fair book. Okay students. You have to write all the exercise 1A, 1B, 1C and this 1D in your fair book. Okay students. If I give the homework that you have to write by your this this exercise, you have to write down in your fair book, not in your homework book. Okay students. I will say what you have to write in your homework book, what you have to write in your fair book. Now there is a new topic, that is use of estimation. Use of estimation. What is the estimation? Use of estimation. If I take an example that here in the sports day, we all know around thousands of people were there in our sports day, we can say that, or in the cricket match there are 50,000 people in the stadium, but there are nearly about that. If we tell that 50,000 people were then it is between 45,000 to 55,000 pupils. We will just estimate the numbers. Okay students, here we take an example number 16. Before that, starting the example number 16, just I will read the use of estimation from your textbook. You must have come across news headlines involving large numbers. For example, 50,000 people participated in the marathon, 5 lakh people gathered for a dip in the Ganga. We all also read news about the disaster strikes, bans, etc. For example, 80 crore rupees lost due to the fire, 9 lakh people evacuate. The number mentioned above do not represent exact numbers of people or rupees. They are only speaking of a nearest value. In earlier classes, we have learnt rounding up of numbers. Rounding up of the numbers is an approximation. This means that when we speak of 50,000 people, what we really mean is the crowd was between 40,000 and 55,000. This rounding up helps us to get approximate answer in addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So, first of all we will use estimation in the addition. Okay students, here there is an example 16. We will do example 16. Example 16. What is example 16? Round up to the nearest tens to carry out the operation. In that A is 46 plus 51. Okay students, 46 plus 51. So, if we take 46 is equal to 50 and also 51 is equal to 50, what is the approximate answer of this? 100. But the actual answer of this is what is the actual answer? That is 6 plus 1 7 and 4 plus 5 9, that is 97. The actual answer is 97, or you can also write this as this is the sign of the approximate of the answer, that is approximately the answer will be 100. Okay students, but the actual answer, that is 97. Only there is difference of 3. Okay students, This is the approximate answer and this is the perfect answer. Here the second example is 89 minus 32. B, that is 89 minus 32. What you will do in this? We can approximately write this as 90 minus 30. The approximate answer is 60. Okay students, approximate answer is 60. What will be the original answer? What will be the original answer? Can anyone tell me? That is 9 minus 2, 7, and 8 minus 3, 5. The original perfect answer is 57, but we can write this as approximate answer. Okay students, and next question is C, that is 48 into 8. C, 48 into 8. In this you can write approx 50 into 8. Okay students, that is 5 8s are 40. Okay students, the approx answer will be 400. But what is the actual answer? You do it by your own. Next is D. D is 89 divided by 5. What you will do? 89 divided by 5. The approx is 90 divided by 5. So what you will write? You will write the approx answer, that is 5 ones are 5. What comes? 4 remains 4. 40. 5 8s are 40. The approx answer is 8. This is the how to use the use of estimation. Okay students, here there is another example, that is example number 17. Let us do that. Example number 17. Example 17. Find the approximate value of 3847 plus 8348. So in this what you will do? We will round off the figure. Here what will do? It is near to, if you write first of all here 3847 plus 8348. First of all, what we will do? We will round off the figure. It is near to 4000. It is near to 8000. So what will be the answer? We will do the sign of approximation. Okay students, 8 plus 4 12, that is 12,000. This is the approx answer of this example number 17. Okay students, and the example number 18, that is in that there is the find the approximate value only in example number 8. Example number 18. Example number 18. In that there is 7, 8, 4, 5 plus 3, 4, 2, 3. So we have to calculate this by the approximate value. First of all, what we have to do? We have to round off all the values. First of all, do it by yourself. It is near to 8,000. So what we'll write here? Which is near? This is near to 3,000. So 8 plus 3, 11. The approx answer is 11,000. So the approx answer is, what you have to do? You have to mention by this sign. This is the sign of the approximate. Okay students, please note down this. Next, example number, here it is the example 18. I forgot to write. This is the example number 18 students. Now example number 19. In this also we have to find the approximate value. Approximate value in example 19. Here we will write 19. Find the approximate value of 9423 minus 3284. So what we have to do? We have to first round off all this first by rounding off 9423 minus 3284. First of all, what we will do? We will round off here. What we can write? 9,000 minus 3,000. Okay students, what will be the answer? Approximate answer, that is 6,000. Okay students, this is the approximate answer. Okay students, please note down the example number 19. Then we will go to the example 20. Example 20. In this you have to find out example 20. You have to find out the approximate value of 673 into 7. Okay students, so first of all, what we will do? We will round off the figure. How to round off the figure? Here it is near to 700. So what we will write? 700 into 7. Then what will be the approximate answer? 7 7s are 49. This will be the answer. Okay students, this is your example number 20. Now here we go for the example number 21. Okay students, the example number 21. Multiply and give the approximate value. Example 21. Multiply and give approximate answer. A, that is 37 into 68. So, what you will do in this? First of all, we have to round off. Here will be 40 and here will be 70. 7 fours are 28. 28. And how many zeros? 1 and 2. This is the answer by round off. This is the approximate answer of this question. Next, that is B, 93 into 48. B, the B is 93 into 48. So first of all we will do the round off. So what will be 90 into 50? This is the approximate rounding off. So what will be the answer? 9 5s are 45. The approximate answer is 4500. This is the answer. Next, C, which is given 74 into 44. 74 into 44. So first of all what we will do, we will round off the figure, that is 70 into 40. 7 4s are 28, that is 2800. Okay students. And next, last one, D. So what is the value? 327 into 47. 327 into 47. So first of all we will round off the figure, that is here we will round offing by 300 into 50. So 5 3s are 15. How many zeros? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. This will be the answer. Okay students, this is all for today. In the next video we will do the next topic, that is Roman numbers, how it is used, where it is used and how it is indicated. Okay, up till then stay safe and stay home. Before that, please note down your homework. Your today's homework. So your today's homework, please note down. You have to, in your homework, you have to do the exercise 1E in your homework. All questions, question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next video I will also give the answers of the exercise 1 equation 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.